Hello students, welcome to the MongoDB lab videos. Today we are going to discuss on how to remove fields using unset operator in MongoDB. So basically I'm using a collection box, books, sorry, I'll drop it, click on yes. So it has successfully executed. So we'll come to inserting. So what does books consist of? It consists of unit ID, which is similar to primary key, name of the book given as book 1, and tags. So words lat and long are nested fields inside the tags field. So words is an array since it is enclosed within the square bracket. So lat and long. So similarly, ID2 as book name, book 2, tags followed by words lat and long. So there are three fields here, three records. Uh, so I'll insert here three records into collection books. Click on yes. So three records have been successfully inserted into books collection. So in order to fetch everything from the books collection, you need to use db.books.find. So it has fetched everything. Suppose assume that there's a requirement you have to remove the field. Uh, you have to remove the field tags.words in a document. For that purpose, you need to use unset operator. So in other words, unset operator allows you to remove the field, specific field you specify. So you will be using for that syntax db.books.update many followed by the empty curly braces. That means no condition is used. It is used to update multiple records. So dollar $unset followed by the field name. It will remove the specific field which you have specified. Here I am specifying tags.word followed by colon 1. This means tags.word field will be removed. Word field will be removed. Tags. So words is a nested field here. So nested field word will be removed. So we'll execute it. Click here on execute button. Click yes. Successfully. So it has matched three records and it has modified three records. That means it has removed the field words from three records. Fetch and find out whether words field has been removed or not. Clearly result is shown is here. So inside the tags words field is deleted. It has been removed. For every record is removed. For second record, yes, it has removed. Check for third record. So third record tags dot words. Words was a nested field. It has been removed. So words field has been completely removed. So basically, this is the summary here. What it does? So empty curly braces means it selects the all the documents. It selects entire document, entire fields. So unset specifically dollar unset removes the field. So tags dot word. So unset attempts to remove the field nested this one nested field which is words. So it will remove this words nested which is nested field using unset operator. So basically summarizing remove you should if we have to remove from if you have to remove the field from one document then you have to use update one. If you have to remove from all documents then you have to make use of update many. So we'll now consider second example here. Click yes in order to drop the contents of products. So it's true. So we'll insert. So before inserting, we'll go through what are the things we are inserting here. Insert the products. So it consists of ID which is similar to primary key. Name of the phone here I have given as iPhone. Its price considered 799 considered dollars. So release date, the date it was released and specification, which is RAM is nested field. RAM, screen and CPU is a nested field of specification. RAM 4, screen 6.5, CPU some 2.66. So what color it is available? So white and black. So storage capacity 64 GB, 128 and 256. Similarly, into Samsung is given product name, its price along with the release date, which year it was released, and specification, color and storage. Note here that color and storage are both are array field because it is enclosed within the square brackets. White, black, purple are enclosed within the square brackets. Storage is also array field because it is enclosed in square brackets. 256 and 512 are enclosed in square brackets. Similarly, Redmi Note Pro, the date it was released, price, specification, color, and storage capacity of the Redmi Note. So next is Oppo, its price, release date, specification, color. Four colors are available for Oppo and its storage capacity is available. Next, last record is Vivo ID5, where Vivo its price, release date, the date it was released, Vivo specification with the color and storage. So we'll going to insert this record. Click on a button here. Click here confirmation. So totally 5 records has been inserted to the products collection. Scroll down below. So here is a requirement that you have to remove two fields, color and storage from the collection storage. You have to remove the color, this field, and storage from the uh, document products for particular name Samsung. For the Samsung, there is a requirement that for a Samsung phone number, uh, sorry, for Samsung, specifically for product Samsung, two fields, color and storage should be removed. I'll show you where its Samsung is. Samsung. So here Samsung. So Samsung for this particular record, color and storage should be removed. Two fields should be removed. So how we'll do that? So we have to make use of update one. If you are removing for particular record, you will be using update one. So DB products update one. So name of the product, that is Samsung unset. So dollar unset will remove the field permanently from the document. So color and storage I am setting to empty string. This means for product Samsung, color and storage will be removed. So execute it, select it, and click on this. Click on yes. So it has matched one record and one record has been modified. So we'll come here and fetch the details related to Samsung. We'll check whether the color and storage fields are removed for particular model phone model Samsung. So so clearly you can see here there is no field color and storage. It has been removed. So we'll come to here. So next query is that next query you have to remove the field RAM. RAM. So RAM is basically a nested field. I'll show you here. Specific RAM. RAM is a nested field which is present inside the field specification. Specification. RAM, screen, and CPU. RAM, screen, CPU. All these three fields are nested fields which belong to specification. So here we are making use of update many. If you want to apply operations to multiple records. So curly braces means no condition has been given. Empty curly braces, no condition has been given. Unset, we are removing the nested field. We are removing the nested field for the all the records. So I'll execute this and click on this play button. Click on yes. So clearly as you can see there are 5 records it has matched and it has modified 5 records. That is specification.ram has been removed from 5 records. So we'll check it. So hit on play button, click on yes. So specification, check inside specification RAM is present, it's not present. Only screen and CPU nested fields are present. So check it for Samsung also. Specification RAM is not present. Coming down below, specification RAM is not present inside the specification. Here also is not present. So hence, so here also I'll expand this. So RAM is not present. So using unset keyword and update many, we are reroutes nested field spec.ram for entire documents. Now we'll come to the storage field. So storage, we'll find what type of field it is. So basically storage is a array field. So because it is enclosed, values is enclosed within the square bracket. Storage is an array field. So basically, what is the requirement here? Suppose in an array storage, first element has to be set to empty. First element in an array of storage has to be removed. And this is the syntax for that. DB products update many. It will update to all the documents. 1 minute. I will execute before this query. I will execute this query. So DB products update many. It will update to all the records, multiple records, whole documents. So it will unset the storage dot zero. Storage dot zero will be first element present in the storage array. So first element in the storage array will be removed. I'll show you how it is. So where is the storage here? Storage is here. First element is 64 for iPhone. Similarly, for Samsung, storage will come to storage here. Storage element is 16. So and so on. So basically, what you are doing, the first element of a storage array will be removed. You clearly say using the MongoDB query unset operator is used to set the storage first array element to null. So we'll execute it. It applies to whole document. Click on yes. So it has matched 5 records. So it has modified 4 records. We'll check whether the what has happened. Storage dot zero. That is the first element. Storage. So it has set to null. Clearly you can see storage. Coming to here, storage. So clearly you can see first array element of storage has been set to null. Clearly here storage. So first element has been set to null. So final record is related to Vivo. So storage first element of storage is set to null. So storage dot zero refers to first element index 0 of a storage array. So we'll come to here. Suppose you want to set the second array element of the storage array name storage. You have to use storage dot one. So I'll execute this. So second element of storage array will be set to null. Click this. So it has matched 4 records but modified. Match 5 records, it has modified 4 records. So we are going down and fetch it. We'll check whether the second element, one zero one means one means second element. So you'll find storage. You can see clearly second element has been set to storage dot one means second element, array second element. So storage here, yes, second element has been set to null. Coming down below here also we'll check. Here also second element in a storage array has been set to null. Storage element, second element has been set to null. Thus hence this query has been successfully executed. So when you use unset operator on array index, it does not remove element completely. It sets the index value to null. For example, you can see here. So this is the consider an example here. Name is iPhone. You can consider X phone. Storage is 64, 128, 256. If I am using this, executing this query for this document, then storage.c, that is first element in a storage array, first element is 64, it will be set to null. So if you execute this query, output will be like this: name, xphone, storage, first element value will be null. So if you want to completely remove the first element, you can make use of pop. So pop I have already discussed in previous videos. I have already discussed how it is, what is the use of pop, how it works, what is the syntax. These things I have already discussed. So if you want to remove first elements, so you have to use the syntax db dot products dot update many curly braces. Empty curly braces means it will operations apply to all the records, to the entire document. So keyword dollar pop you are going to use, followed by on which field you are going to apply pop operation, that is storage. So minus one usually refers to first field. So clearly you can see here I have described. Minus one removes the first element, whereas one removes the last element. Remember that minus one in pop operation removes the first element and one removes the last element. So after applying pop minus one, result becomes like this. So here name xphone, so storage null will be completely removed. Null will be first element of an array will be completely removed from the document. So we'll come to another example. So using unset operator, we are removing here multiple fields. The fields are release date and specification from document using update many. So we want to remove two fields here, which are release date and specification. Click on yes. So what we are going to remove the two fields: release date and specification. Specification we find it here, and release date both are present here. So we can see release date and specification. You come here. So as I already told you, update menu is used to update multiple records without a condition. Here we are not specifying any condition here, so is the empty curly braces. So unset release date and specification. Both these fields will be removed. Click on this button. Yes. So it has matched 5 records. So it has modified 5 records. So we'll find it. What has happened? Click on the play button. So specification. What are the field? Release date and specification. Release date and specification are not there. Clearly you can see. It's completely removed. So release date, only storage and color is there. So coming down Oppo, we'll see release specification and release date are not there. So we will also, it's not there. Clearly you can see it has been completely removed from the whole document. So basically this is the summary. DB products means it refers to products collection. Update mini means it updates all the matching documents. So empty filter means it matches all the documents in collection. Documents. So unset is the one keyword which removes the specified field from the documents. So release date set to empty string and specification set to empty string. These fields will be removed. Value dollar empty string inside unset doesn't matter. It can be this one or it can be set to true. So clearly you can see example. This is another example. Consider name, expo, release date, and specification is there, and price is there. So previously we discussed how to remove this field, release date and specification. So after executing that query, the output will look like this: name and price. So specification and price will be removed. So so guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and like the video. So I will see you in the next next video. So in next video, we are going to discuss on what is pull operator. How do we execute pull operator in MongoDB? Okay, bye.